If I can't give a heart that's true, I won't give pain and misery to you. I want our love to be the perfect love.
Holding on to something that just doesn't feel right. I'm looking at you and I'm losing sight. I don't know why I can't walk away. Can't you just tell me that you feel the same? Baby, you and I, we're both to blame. But something inside me says that I should wait. But if this love is wrong,